Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I will show you how to stop ads on Android phone in detailed steps. So, let's start the video. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. How to block pop-ups and ads of Google Chrome? Google Chrome has a built-in pop-up and ads blocker to deactivate intrusive or misleading ads. So, let's follow the steps to deactivate them on your phone. Open Google Chrome on your Android phone. Tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner and open Settings. Scroll to Site Settings. Scroll down and, under the Content section, open Pop-ups and Redirects. Turn off the pop-ups and redirects toggle from the menu. Go back to the Site Settings page, and select Intrusive Ads. Turn off the Intrusive Ads toggle. How to stop pop-up ads by specific app? Perhaps some of the ads you're seeing is the result of an app. If you prefer to keep the app, but disable its ability to promote ads, disable the notifications. But let us tell you very clearly, the steps vary depending on the version of Android OS is running and the manufacturer. To disable the pop-ups, you have to go to your device's settings. Look for Apps or Application Manager. Find and select the app you suspect is causing the pop-ups. Find the Manage Notifications. Ensure to toggle off the Manage Notifications. How to block ads on Android by changing DNS? If you want to block ads on your Android device without acquiring any apps, you can easily do that by changing to an ad blocking service's private DNS provider. However, this method only works on Android 9 Pie and above. To change DNS on Android, go to Settings, tap on Network and Internet or other wireless connections. After that, tap on Private DNS. Choose the option Private DNS Provider Hostname. Enter dns.adguard.com and save. That's it. You'll no longer see any in-app ads or pop-ups on browsers. Keep in mind that on some Android devices, the DNS settings might be different. If that's the case, look for Private DNS settings and the option to manually input the required information.